Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have covered few text DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will learn about some more text DAX functions. So let's start the class guys. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this exact DAX function. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. So it compares two text string and return true if they are exactly same, otherwise returns false. This exact is case sensitive but ignores formatting differences. Exact is a case sensitive. It is clearly states that guys it compare two string which they are exactly same, otherwise false. And now look at the parameters guys, text1 and text2. And now let's go to Power BI desktop and check with practical. So let's go to the data view. And here I have created one table here which name is names, and I have taken two columns here which is names 1 and names 2, and few records are exact same, you guys can see here. And now let's apply this DAX function. So I will take new calculated column from here. You guys can also write this query in measure, and let me rename this as exact. And now I will write my DAX function name which is exact. Look at the parameter guys. So the first parameter is text1. So here I will take this name1 column. So simply I will write name1 which is from the names table, comma, and text2 guys I will take this names2 and close the bracket. And here is the result guys, and we can clearly see that wherever both the values are same, it returning true, else false. I hope guys now you are clear with this exact DAX function. And now move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is find. So let's go to reference page to understand the definition. It returns the starting position of one text string within another text string. Find is case sensitive. This function helps to find the value inside the text. So look at the parameters guys. So here we have 4 parameters. And now go to Power BI desktop to check with this practical. So let me go to the data view. I want to find in which position this H alphabet is placed. So let's apply this find DAX function. So go here in new column. You guys can also try with this measure. So let me edit this column name as find. And now I will write my DAX function which is find. And look at the parameters guys. So the first parameter is find text. So here under this parameter guys I will write the text name which I am looking for. So here I want to find the alphabet H. So within inverted comma guys you need to write H and inverted comma close, comma, and the next parameter is within the text. So here we need to enter that column name from where we need to find the text. So I will write this name1 column because I want to find the text with name1 column, comma, and the next parameter is start position. That means from which position you want to start. So this time I am taking 1 here, comma, and the next parameter is not found value. That means if value is not found, so what will be the result? Let's suppose if value is not found here, I want return as 100 and close the bracket and hit enter. And here is the result guys. It start from 1 and find the H alphabet in each and every cell. So here we can see H comes at second place. So here answer is 2. And if you look at this second record, here H comes at 4th place. That's why here answer is 4. And now look at the third record. Here H comes at 3. That's why here answer is 3. And wherever the H are not found, it returning 100. So here you can see guys, it returning 100. I hope guys now you are clear with the concept of find DAX function. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is search. So search is exactly same to the find function. So let's go to the reference page. And here we can see guys, it returns the number of character at which a place character or string is first found. Reading left to right, search is case insensitive and accent sensitive. So look at the parameters guys. So parameters are exactly same like find function. Just the only difference is guys, this is case insensitive. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and check with practical. So let me copy this query and add new column from here. And I will paste it here. And I will replace this as search. And here I will take search DAX function. And hit enter. So here we can see guys, the result is exactly same. But the difference is, it is case sensitive and it is case insensitive. And now if I change this alphabet into caps, let's suppose caps H and hit enter. So again we can see the same result. But if I change caps here in find function, so here we can see guys, our result is different. So this is the only difference guys between find and search. So I hope guys now you are clear with the DAX function of find and search. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is fixed. So go to the reference page and here we can read the definition. It rounds a number to the specified number of decimals and returns the result as text. And now look at the parameters guys, and here we have three parameters: numbers, decimals and no commas, and these two parameters are optional. So let's go to the data view and open this sales table. So with the help of this DAX function guys, we can add the decimal place into values. So let's apply new calculated column here. And let me edit this now, fixed. And now I will write my DAX function, which is fixed. And look at the parameters guys. So the first parameter is number. So I will select sales column here in numbers. And these two parameters are optional guys. So let me close this function and hit enter. So here we can see by default two decimal places are added here under this value. And if you wanna add or remove decimals, so you can also do that. So let me go here in formula bar and add 3 decimal places this time and close the bracket. So it returning 3 decimal places, and if you want to convert into 1 decimal place, so you can do that and hit enter. So in this way guys, we can use this fixed DAX function. And now move towards the last topic of our today's class, which is format. Let's go to the reference page to understand the definition. It converts a value to text according to the specified format. And look at the parameters guys. So here we have 3 parameters: values, format string and local name. This is the optional one guys. So we will need to use these 2 parameters. And now go to the Power BI desktop. So with the help of this function guys, we can fetch the value of a specified format. So here we have created one calendar table guys, and go to data view. And let's suppose we want to fetch the day's name from this date column, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. So we can fetch this through format function. So quickly go here in new column and let me edit this as days. And now I will write my DAX formula, which is format. And now look at the parameters guys. So the first parameter is value. So I will take this date column under this value, which is from the calendar table, comma, and the next parameter is format. So I will start inverted comma and write DD, which means days, and inverted comma close and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our days names are came out. So the 1st of January 2022 was Saturday. So in this way guys, you can fetch out the day's name. And let's suppose if you want to fetch out the month name, so you can also do that. Let me copy this formula and add new column. And this time we want to see the month name. So you need to write MM. And let me edit this into months and hit enter. So here we can see guys, it returning the month name. So I hope guys now you are clear with the concept of format function. So I hope guys now you are clear with all the DAX function of today's tutorial. So do more practice and explore more yourself. And stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram channel where I'm keep posting latest jobs opening of Power BI. And you guys can also find some latest interview questions and answers which recently interviewers asked. And the last thing guys, I am also providing paid training sessions. If anyone interested for paid sessions, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn. LinkedIn link and Telegram channel link are given under the description box. You guys can connect me there. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.